Let O denote the origin, and let A and B be the x-axis and y-axis intercepts of y equals minus 2x plus c. Part 2. If the triangle AOB has area 4, find the value of c. To find the value of c, start by sketching the graph of y is equal to minus 2x plus c. This will help you visualize the problem. So this is our x and y axis. The line minus 2x plus c will look something like this. For the y-intercept, we let x is equal to 0. So that's going to be y is equal to minus 2 times 0 plus c, which is just c. So this intercept is going to be c. For the x-intercept, we let y is equal to 0. So this is going to be 0 is equal to minus 2x plus c, which is 2x is equal to c, and solving for x, we get x is equal to c on 2. So our x-intercept is going to be c on 2. We're told that the triangle AOB has the area 4. So this is A, O, and B. The area is here. We know that the area of the triangle is half times base times height. And if the area is equal to 4, then we can write 4 is equal to half times the length of the base, which is c on 2, and the height, which is going to be c. So this is 4 is equal to c squared on 4. If we multiply both sides by 4, we're going to get 16 is equal to c squared. And solving for c, we're going to get c is equal to plus or minus 4. Now c is larger than 0, so therefore c has to be 4.